So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. Because of that, in this video I can show you if you have any Motorola smartphone and your Motorola smartphone is stuck when you configure your smartphone after successful hard reset and you forgetted your Gmail ID account credentials. So in this video I can show you how can you unlock your smartphone within 5 minutes without using computer, without using any kind of software tool. In just only 5 minutes you can unlock your Motorola smartphone from this offline service center method. So let's start the video first. You can see here my friend, this is the latest version of Android in this Motorola. Means if you have the Android version 15, 16 and older version like 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So this method will 100% work into your Motorola smartphone. First of all, you have to tap some few times on the screen like that. After that, your phone will asking to enter your PIN pattern password lock. So wait for a while for the next page. You can see here. And if you forgetted your PIN pattern password lock also, so don't worry at all. You have to only follow all these methods into one by one. And you can see here, you don't require to attempt your pattern lock more than 10 times. Okay, otherwise your phone will permanently locked. So you have to click only this use my Google account instead here. And you can see here your phone is asking to enter your Gmail ID account detail. Okay, don't worry, go back to the first option and you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile network first. When you connect to the internet successfully, you have to only first of all you have to remove your SIM card, okay, from your Motorola Android smartphone like that. And after that you have to connect the only data cable, means only charging cable with your smartphone. Done. And you have to take some important step here. Open this emergency call option here, and here you have to type *#899 and hash. But you can see here this code is not working well, so you have to change the code here *813*0*#, and you have to call this code. Done. Okay, go back to the previous page and change your region to English United States. This is very important. Because of that, the Google is also from United States, so you have to select the same and click the start button. Okay, click the skip. Click a skip again. Click more, and you have to select this Motorola privacy policy. And after that, you have to go to the last option. Click here and go down, and you have to find lenovo.com/contact. So click here to open this. Wait for a while to open the next page into your mobile screen like that. If not opening, tap some few times again, and after a few moments the new page comes. Okay, if not opening, click properly. Okay, wait and done. This page will open like that. So you have to click the proceed with the United States of America, and after that click accept all cookies and click the close button. After that you have to go down and click the view repair. Sorry, you have to find visit the form. Okay, visit the forum, accept all cookies. If not seeing any text, go back. Again wait, click to close, go down and find this small YouTube icon. So click here to open this YouTube into your mobile screen, and then after your YouTube application has been opened now. So go to the down and find this the account option here. Click here to open this. Click to this setting option here. Click to general. Click to location, and again you have to select the English, United States of America. Okay, this is the selected of the language, and again you have to click the history and privacy section. Turn on all options here and done. Go back, and go back again, and here you have to go to the three lines here. Okay, click here. Okay, you can see here all done. So click this Lenovo section here and go down. Click here to your region and find USA. Done. And here you have to zoom this icon. Find this privacy section. Click to open this. Touch to open the privacy option here and wait for a while. If not opening, go to upper section, and here you have to select this mobile smartphone icon. Click done and go back to the home screen, and again opening the emergency call option here like that, and you have to type another secret code here. The code is *#911077*333*#, and you have to call this code for one time only and wait for 3 seconds. 1 2 3 and remove your charging cable. Okay, after that you have to click to OK and go back and start your configuration as usual. So click a start button here, click a skip. You can now insert your SIM card at this moment. This is not necessary, so click a skip. Click more, click accept and continue, and wait for a while. And now your smartphone is completely unlocked. Because of that, you can see here there are no any lock icon, and there are a skip option is available here. You have to only click this skip button to process the next step, and your smartphone is unlocked now from Google FRP. Means this method is very important for you if you seriously want to unlock your any Motorola smartphone at your home. But if this method will not work into your smartphone, you have to comment us your specific Motorola model name. Our team will reply very soon, within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your any kind of model at your home at free of cost. So you have to comment only your specific model name into our comment section after subscribing our YouTube channel. Then after, our team will reach you within 10 minutes, and after that you can unlock your smartphone by using our methods. Okay, so you have to only follow all these methods one by one into your locked smartphone, and then you will be amazed after using this method. Okay, so if you have any queries, comment us. Our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.